What's good, beautiful people? So let's just say, for instance, here you saw this item and it was only $5. You purchased the item, free shipping, but you resold the item for $20. That means your profit would be $15. So that means you would have to put $5 back into the item again and resell it again. So if you keep on duplicating it over and over, it's a possibility that you can make $100 a day or $200 a day. So if you got this item and other items, of course, you can go to Shopify. You can go to Shopify and build your website. Of course, they also have a free trial as well too. So that's another way you can do your e-commerce site here. You can also go to Wix. You can go to Wix and you can do your e-commerce site on there as well too. So Wix is definitely another platform as well. So another one is Ewisit. I think I definitely said that right. I might have butchered it. I don't know. But yeah, you can definitely sell on this as well too. Products, anything pretty much. So yeah, you can definitely sell on there. They just give you some ideas. PayHip, you can definitely sell. Even though it says digital products and things like that, but you can also sell physical products as well too. So PayHip is another